Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Adam Maulana. How are you today? I hope you and your family are always blessed with good health, happiness, peace of mind, and protection from God Almighty. Today, we're going to discuss one possible cause of unilateral hearing loss, which is a decrease in hearing ability in one ear following a head injury or trauma. Some people may think that a head injury will only cause pain or bruising. However, certain types of trauma, especially significant impacts, can affect various structures involved in the hearing system. Hearing difficulties may occur when trauma affects the outer ear, middle ear, or inner ear. For example, an impact can affect the eardrum or the tiny structures in the middle ear that help transmit sound vibrations toward the inner ear. In certain cases, the inner ear, particularly the cochlea, can also be affected. The cochlea plays an important role in converting sound vibrations into signals that are then transmitted through the auditory nerve to the brain. If this structure is affected, hearing ability on one side may decrease. In addition to the structures of the ear itself, head trauma can potentially affect the auditory nerve or the pathways responsible for processing sound. Because the hearing system is highly complex, the location and severity of the trauma can influence the type of symptoms that appear. A person may experience reduced hearing, ringing in the ear, a feeling of fullness, or balance problems. However, symptoms can vary from person to person, and not every hearing complaint following an injury means that permanent damage has occurred. One important thing to pay attention to is when the hearing change begins. If hearing suddenly decreases after a head injury, do not wait too long to seek medical evaluation. A doctor may perform an ear examination and hearing tests to help determine the underlying cause. In certain situations, additional examinations may also be necessary. Do not try to insert objects into the ear to check whether something is wrong. This can cause additional irritation or potentially make certain conditions worse. So, head trauma should not be taken lightly, especially when changes in hearing occur afterward. The sooner the cause is identified, the sooner appropriate management can be considered. My message to you is this: never ignore even small changes in your body after an injury. Listen to the signs your body gives you, and don't hesitate to seek medical attention when necessary. Taking care of your health today is an important form of care for yourself in the future.